everyone, and welcome to Friday's Celebration Assembly. Are we happy about this? Yes, we are. Betty, I know you have been waiting all week. You really love Friday celebration. She does. Now, Betty, there seems to be something a little bit different about you. I can't really figure it out. Children, can you help me figure out what is different about Betty? Yeah, Betty? Do you think they'll figure it out? I'm still trying to. Have you figured it out? Betty, is it that your ears are tucked behind your head? Yes, it is. Did you guess that as well? Oh, Betty, is that because you were complaining about your ears flopping in your eyes? She was telling me last week. She was like, my ears are always flopping in my eyes. And then she's come up with a solution. She had a problem, she took the challenge, and she came up with a fantastic solution. She learned to do something a little bit different than what she did last week. Have you learned to do something different that you didn't know last week? Remember what our challenge was? Today is the day. Think about it. What have you learned this week that was different and you didn't know last week? I can't wait to hear all the things that you've done. Now, Betty, it's time for us to give the awards. Are you ready? I'm ready. Here we go. Now, the first awards are our Going for Gold awards. And the first ones go to Leeds class. And it goes to Votak for improved understanding of English, and Willow G for being much happier when coming to school. In York class, we have Ellen for learning to write her name, and Loki for helping to tidy up the mud kitchen with Mrs. Golding. In Hall class, we have Samuel for always being so kind to the other children and people and working hard. We also have Jackson for Super Fred Talk in class to help to read the words. In Nottingham class, we have Mia for trying really hard to copy key information from the board. And Oakley for our positive start to Nottingham class and trying hard in everything he does. In Liverpool class, we have Susanna N. This is for always giving 100% with all of her work. We also have Susanna G for fantastic effort in maths with place value work. In Cardiff class, we have Lilia. She's been trying really hard in all of her learning and really trying to be independent. We also have Lexi May. She's always so polite and has such lovely manners. In Edinburgh class, it's Leighton for having lovely handwriting in all of his work, and Lucy for trying to improve her handwriting. In Cambridge class, we have Caden for working sensibly in a group in science. He took the lead and helped other children. We also have Peyton for her super vocabulary choices when writing a Mayan myth this week. In London class, we have Poppy. Poppy receives this award for showing perseverance in maths. And in Oxford class, we have Ilya and Molly for helping our new child to settle in to a new year. In Oxford class, we have Ilya for helping our new child to settle into year 6. And Molly for always staying focused on her work and being eager to start her lessons. In Lincoln class, we have Kobe for amazing 1 to 5 work during maths, matching and ordering the numbers. In Chester class, we have Talisa for working really hard in literacy, using her phonics to help her to spell accurately. Well done to all of these children. I'm so proud of all of you. Make sure you give them a big clap. Well done. Now we have our Year of Being Healthy Mind and Body Award. Let's see who we have today. In Leeds class, we have Lily May for learning a new skill, cutting with scissors. And David for learning a new skill, scootering. In York class, we have Olivia for super exercise skills in the outdoor area, hopping and jumping and wiggling. And Alice for always trying new foods at snack time and dinner time. In Hall class, we have Bailey for excellent dodging and running skills in PE, and Mia for eating all of her lunch on Wednesday. In Nottingham class, we have Olivia for having a good understanding around the foods we should eat, and Faith for excellent work in PE. In Liverpool, we have Isabel M for super effort with all of her home learning and adding it to tapestry, and Roscoe for being a good partner in PE. In Cardiff class, we have Rome for practicing the dodging skill really successfully in PE this week and always being on the move. Daisy also receives an award for Cardiff class for trying hard in our PE warm-up. In Edinburgh class, we have Archie for super effort during swimming this week, and Darcy for super effort in swimming even though it was her first session. In Cambridge class, we have all of Cambridge class for all having such a positive mindset towards their learning this week. The children have worked so hard, and Miss Lofthouse and I are very proud of them. In London class, we have Ethan for making up such great games at break times and the equipment in our activity box. In Oxford class, we have all of Oxford class for all participating in team games during break and lunchtime, and Cooper for his enthusiasm during the PE lessons. In Lincoln class, we have Emmanuel for using his voice to make his requests and needs known. In Chester class, we have Ethan for spreading happiness and making everyone smile. Wow, that's been a fantastic week, hasn't it? Give them a big hand. Excellent. I am so proud of all of you. It has been a good week. I've really seen children working hard and making sure that they don't give up, that they persevere, they believe, and they achieve. Well done to all of you. I hope you have a nice weekend, and I can't wait till next week. Have a good weekend. Bye.